Section 1 of A Little Book for a Little Cook. This is a LibriVox recording. All LibriVox recordings are in the public domain. For more information or to volunteer, please visit LibriVox.org. This book has been read by Rosslyn Carlyle. A Little Book for a Little Cook by L.P. Hubbard. Section 1. Directions. 1. Always use Pillsbury's best flour. 2. Sift flour twice before adding to cakes or breakfast cakes. 3. Make all measurements level by using edge of knife to lightly scrape off from top of cup or spoon until material is even with the edges. 4. Use same-sized cups or spoons in measuring for the same recipe. 5. Before starting to make recipe, read through carefully, then put on table all of the materials and tools needed in making that particular recipe. End of section 1. Section 2 of A Little Book for a Little Cook by L.P. Hubbard. This LibriVox recording is in the public domain. A Note to the Modern Reader. A Little Book for a Little Cook was originally published by Pillsbury in 1905. This new reproduction has all of the recipes from the original softcover edition, but is being reissued with the modern reader in mind. The collector will note some small departures from the original book, but the little cook will no doubt find what is here to be fun to cook, delicious, and warmly nostalgic. For best results, we recommend the following recipe changes when preparing these old-fashioned recipes. When using Pillsbury best flour, there is no need to sift the flour. Just lightly spoon the flour into the measuring cup and level it off. When combining the flour with other dry ingredients, stir the ingredients together with a fork. Bread. Soak 1.6 ounce cake of compressed yeast or 1 package of active dry yeast and 1 tablespoon of sugar in 2 tablespoons of lukewarm, that is to say, 105 to 110 degree Fahrenheit, water for 2 minutes. Knead dough 5 to 10 minutes. Let dough rise in a warm place until it is almost double in size. Grease, the bottom only, of an 8x4 or 9x5 inch loaf pan. Bake at 375 degree Fahrenheit for 35 to 40 minutes or until light golden brown. Biscuits. Bake on a lightly greased cookie sheet at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 9 to 11 minutes. Gingerbread. Bake in a greased 13 by 9 inch pan at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 23 to 27 minutes. Sponge cake. Bake in a greased and floured 9-inch square or 11 by 7 inch pan at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 24 to 29 minutes. Muffins. Bake in a greased 12-cup muffin pan at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 16 minutes. Creamed potatoes. If a double boiler is unavailable, cook in a heavy saucepan over medium heat until mixture thickens, about 5 minutes. Fudge. Cook in a small heavy saucepan. Pour mixture into a buttered 9x5 or 8x4 inch pan. Chocolate cake. Bake in a greased and floured 8-inch square pan at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 23 to 27 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Johnny cake. Bake in a greased 8-inch square pan at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes. End of section 2.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?